Current trends in linguistic research methodology. So it is meant to see that which is the most important methodology in applied linguistics generally used by the researchers. In this regard, we have taken an article of Lazarton 2000 to know who has investigated this aspect of methodology in the applied linguistics. According to her, it is statistics they use statistic for data analysis different. They apply different tests that we just discussed. So for the purpose, the researcher analyzed and classified 332 articles published in 4 well-known journals of applied linguistics during this period, 91 to 97. The articles were classified into qualitative and quantitative categories. Obviously, that's the main research paradigms. Subclassified into various categories on the basis of research methodology. Data analysis techniques and research modules used in the articles, they were all separated. The classification was based on the claim of researchers without further evaluation. So she did not evaluate anything on her own. She just took all the things the way the researchers have added into their articles. So according to the findings, almost 88% of the research articles in the selected journal were quantitative studies. So it means that only 12% studies were qualitative. Statistical research methods were used in the quantitative research. Obviously, quantitative research has more statistical research and method. On the other hand, a limited number of qualitative studies published in the 4 research journals. As I told you, just simply 12%. Understudy had followed ethnography and oral and written analysis model. So very few used oral and written models. In the quantitative research, which used statistics for analysis, techniques of descriptive statistics were used in most articles published in the selected journal. So statistical analysis were to be seen more than anything else. So according to the author, almost 50% of the authors applied ANOVA for data analysis in the research studies of quantitative nature. The remaining half used other statistical methods like Pearson Correlation, t-test, regressive analysis, chi-square test, MANOVA, etc. in their research paper. So all these tests or all these methods were statistical methods. So they have little for more discussion. Finally, she recommends future researchers to combine both qualitative and quantitative research. So it's very important that whenever research is made, there should be a combination of both qualitative and quantitative research. In some aspect, quantitative research can be very helpful. However, qualitative research has its own benefits because it gives more elaboration. It emphasis on some of the aspects which are not to be or which cannot be highlighted with the quantitative methodology. So it is very important that whenever we are making any research in this regard, we should try to strike a balance between the two types of research methodologies.